Looking to upgrade your keyboard with keycaps that deliver both style and durability? GMK's ABS keycap set, crafted in Germany, offers exactly that. Featuring classic CR black and WS1 white colors, these keycaps bring a timeless look that fits seamlessly with almost any keyboard layout. GMK is a trusted name in the keyboard community, known for their precision and quality. This set includes 140 ultra-thick, double-shot ABS keycaps made with original cherry tooling. That means you get keycaps that don't just look great but are built to last, challenging even the durability of PBT materials. What makes this set stand out is its compatibility. Whether you're using a 60%, 65%, HHKB, 75%, Tenkeyless, or even a full 104-key keyboard, these keycaps fit perfectly. They also support less common layouts like Clueboard, Leopold FC660, and Redscarf 96, giving you flexibility no matter your setup. From personal experience, switching to GMK keycaps transforms the typing feel. Unlike thin, flimsy stock keycaps, these provide a satisfying, textured touch reminiscent of classic 90s keyboards. The thicker ABS material not only improves sound but also resists dirt, keeping your keyboard looking sharp over time. If you've been stuck with cheap keycaps that don't deliver the right feedback or sound, this GMK set is worth a look. It's an investment in quality that elevates your daily typing experience, whether for work, gaming, or casual use. Plus, the sleek black and white contrast adds a clean, professional aesthetic. Many users find these keycaps become their go-to choice, even planning to install them on upcoming models like the Keychron K6 Pro. That's a solid endorsement of their lasting appeal and premium feel. You get the classic cherry profile that balances comfort with precision, making every keystroke satisfying. If that's you, someone ready to move beyond average keycaps and experience what premium ABS keycaps can do, this GMK set fits the bill. Made in Germany with attention to detail, it's a reliable upgrade that blends durability, compatibility, and timeless design. Try it when you're ready to elevate your keyboard setup. With 140 keys included, you have everything you need for a complete makeover that's built to last. GMK's classic colorway and top-tier build quality make these keycaps a smart choice for anyone serious about their keyboard.